Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making a soap scented in mermaid kisses. So we haven't done any donut soaps in a while, so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's start out the same way we always do. We are going to do it just a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and mix in my colorant with my oils and additives. And this soap, my 11-year-old daughter designed, and she wanted neon orange for her color. So I think I am going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide to it to tone it down just a bit while still trying to keep it neon orange. So we have right here our pre-dispersed titanium dioxide and some water. And we'll just add a little bit and see how that looks. So I need to make 2 batches of this, and I don't have enough of the Mermaid Kisses, so I have to change her fragrance oil. I'm changing it to Sweet Pea, also by Nature's Garden. The usage rate is 5%, so that's 1.6 ounces. And I have just enough in there to do another 1.6 ounces tomorrow. So I don't need to use my stick blender anymore. Oh yes I do, because this rices. I forgot. Silly me. Okay, well, let's stick blend the ricing out of it. Okay, all the ricing is gone. Because it's a floral, it's probably going to speed up on me, so I'm not going to worry about scraping off my stick blender. Just get it out of the way. So Sarah's favorite color is orange. She is in she is in 6th grade. And just last week, she celebrated 10 years cancer-free. So she loves Mermaid, she loves orange, she loves bright, vibrant colors. So this is a perfect soap for her. So this is a 2-day process. I will bring you back tomorrow. We will unmold these cupcakes, make up another batch of this orange, and do some fun designs on top of them. So our frosting is ready to set up. We are using an Atico 869 tip. And I have changed my mind about something else with these soaps. So I have lots of embeds that Miss Sarah picked out for the top of the soap. And so I'm nervous if I do another top layer of the donut, it's just going to be way too big. So I am just going to do a half donut and then put all the fun stuff on top. So I'm just starting with a base circle around all of these. Okay, so now let's do another round to make them Look like some really big cupcakes. Really big cupcakes. Okay, so I have a little cup here of all of our embeds that we have to put on. So we have some blue mermaid blue mermaid tails. We have some black roses, and we have some seashells. And on these tails, there's also a little bit of some eco glitter on there. I can't remember which color it is. I think it's just white. And I almost forgot. We have some candy sugar sprinkles that we're gonna make a mess out of everything and sprinkle on. I find these things everywhere. Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to unmold our little cute half donut soaps here. And here is our first one. There's a donut on one side. Aren't they just adorable? So the other kids saw these ones and all they had to say were these were pretty extra. But I think it matches Sarah's personality perfectly. She is extra with all her glitter and shine and bright colors she likes. So it's perfect for her. So if these are something that you might be interested in, they will be available on Sunday, November 7th in my Etsy shop. And I thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.